Hello, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing here, looking today at item number 11 in our checklist series for the Ultimate Google Ads Checklist for e-commerce. Today's question is, are you targeting the right language for your campaign? Maybe not the biggest impact that this could possibly have on your campaigns in as far as kind of wasting money on, not as bad as some of the settings that we're going to come across in this series, but it is important to think that you want to be targeting, if your product and service is in English, you speak English, you're in an English speaking country, you don't want to be targeting countries and having your ads shown, or even to target people within the UK whose browser settings and whose history suggests that they are not native English speakers, maybe that their first language is Polish or Dutch or whatever. So this is, I kind of tend to think of this as more of a bit of a housekeeping thing, but it just keeps things tidy, keeps things neat, makes sure that you are targeting only the people that you want to target that are relevant for you, and those are the people that you are best suited to work with or to sell to. So, don't just have all languages under the language setting. Head into the settings of your campaign and choose, for most of us, I guess it will be English, but if you're targeting different countries, so if you're targeting France, then you'll target them in a campaign targeting France and language as French. And if you want to target different languages in different countries, you'll use separate campaigns to do that. So that's today's question, is checking that you are targeting the right languages in your campaign settings. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos, and as always, please comment below if you have any questions, or to download. And there's actually a link down below the video to download the checklist in its entirety. But I look forward to speaking to you again in the next video. Take care now. Bye.